Trusting friends too much can be a dangerous game. History shows us that allies can quickly turn into adversaries, like Michael III and Basilius, where betrayal lurked behind loyalty. Instead, consider the power of your enemies. Abraham Lincoln famously turned rivals into allies, proving that strategic relationships can be more beneficial than blind trust. In your own life, critically evaluate friendships and seek alliances with those who challenge you. Embrace the art of strategy. It's not just about who you trust, but how you leverage every relationship to your advantage.